Done.
Two hours later.
Hey guys, what's up? So right now I have the 14 Pro Max मेरो हातमा यो चाहिँ मैले भर्खर I got it from Apple West County यता St. Louis, Missouri. So this is the 14 Pro Max Deep Purple, the one that gets asked the most. So basically you don't see anything new, you know, for the packaging, just like a regular stripe. Yeah, can you come forward? So not the best unboxing video out there, but at least I tried. Okay, so phone match it. This is gonna be the deep purple. It's a different light ko shade ma. It's gonna be a different, you know, lighting. So basically in the box you get a charger and then like eSIM. So at the US ma eSIM one, so you don't get a SIM card slot. So if you are planning to use this in Nepal, यो चाहिँ अहिले नेपाल टेलिकमले ल्याएको छ भर्खरै eSIM, so that should be fine. And basically some regulatory stuff, Apple sticker, and then Type-C to Lightning jack, and then this is the phone. Alright, look at that. I just upgraded from 12 Pro Max, so you know, and this would be it. What do you think?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. He got the 256 gigs space gray, so it's good. Yeah. Let me just turn this on. Okay. In the meantime, let me just show you what the cases I got. So this is the OtterBox Symmetry, cost me around $50. And then that's the screen protector, pack of 2. That's actually going to be for me and him. So let's just let me just sweep through the setup process. Let's try the mall Wi-Fi. And this is a really cool store, by the way. I'm gonna buy a couple of cases from here. Okay, let's try. Just some random email.
Hello, ma'am. How are you doing?
Okay, let's see. Next. And the most talked about feature would be the dynamic island. I think it's pretty cool coming from something the notch one. That's much better. Just activating. Let's see. Set up later. I'm just gonna bypass everything right now. Agree. Continue, not now, enable, set up later, skip, set up later, continue, share. Let's just use light mode for now. Okay, that's it. So this is the dynamic island thingy, they call it. Don't know how to use it. So the thing, let me show you. I think it's timer. Okay, that was actually in the keynote. So this is the dynamic island. I don't know why they give such a name, but you know, yeah, you can zoom on my face. So this would be it. Not really much of a difference. I would say if you're coming from iPhone 11, basically 11, 12, 13, 14, basically not much of a difference. I mean iOS 16 सबै फोनमा छ. So iOS 16 भएर नै your phone is going to be much better, much faster. So my personal pick, do not upgrade. I had to upgrade because मेरो charging port issue थियो and then water damage भएको थियो. But personal pick, don't waste your money on this. Yeah, I mean that would be it for the unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned.